Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be swatching the NOVO Quicksand Glitter palette in variant number 2, which is the green glitter eyeshadow palette. This is the second part of my swatch series. If you like eyeshadow swatches and you love watching them like I do, I'm sure you'll enjoy this video. So today let's have a look at one of the most beautiful eyeshadow palettes you can ever own at such a small price. This is the NOVO Quicksand eyeshadow palette. So let's take a look. This is the packaging it comes in. Beautiful cardboard packaging with the expiry date, ingredients and other things. And let's take a look at the green packaging. The green glitters in this. Oh my god, this is so amazing, so beautiful. You can play around with this palette all day long. This is how pretty it is. Next, let's get into the palette and look at the colors you get 12 beautiful shades. It's a mix of mattes, pearl shades, shimmer shades, and one glitter shade right in the middle of the palette. And if you're interested, continue watching and take a closer look at what the shades look like and live swatches of each of these shades. I hope you enjoyed watching the swatches of the colors you get in the NOVO palette, and if you're interested in buying them, they're available at Aliexpress for around $8 each plus $1.50 for shipping. and they're available in 4 variants. I have all 4 videos for you. If you have missed any of them out, please check my channel out to watch swatches and complete close-ups of each of these palettes. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Till next time, bye and have a nice day.